Okay, so I'm here with one of those Ace 44mm padlocks, I believe a grain belt with a McTickler, and I just thought it was interesting how this, I can use both the front hook and the back peak to open this. So I'm going to start out already in a false set, so I'm going to use the back peak to get a good click, still in a false set, so then I use the front hook. They get another click, false set, use the back peak again, good click, false set, and then use the front hook again, hopefully, get on the pin good click, use the back peak again, good click, and open. So let's do that again, go in, good click in the front, use the back peak, good click, use the front peak, good click, back peak, good click, and then maybe good click, and we're open.